Balla mhòr-chuid, príomh balla na Alba, Scotland's capital city. Príomh balla na Alba. A farach gyn arach on sa balla seo. Se áte echtrial, an historic place, áte echtrial a haun. Agus apad bicáte vilu on sa balla, a mírfol vriechke. Castiol creek va uur een bruin volcano. Yes, you heard me. Inside a volcano. Een bruin volcano. Culhráin cuain. Narrow lanes. Culhráin cuain. Agus balla uur le sráin farsing. Broad streets, sráin farsing. Beat torst 5 jaar gemeuten. It brings a smile to my face. 5 jaar, gach turis a vies me seo. A fuse dóin siúil as a bhela seo na chéil an balla siubhail an an Alba. Sin na tramichin. Stil se dóin siúil green poplach mar seo. I like a bit of neat public transport. Dóin siúil green poplach. In dú, ha mis an an dèidh sin fiochan dói siúil nes persinte agus dói ha úd gos.
Ha nína Ballantyne in leib buin a bhíos a chiicisk an glúas at seo do gúine de gachúis.
Wow, Nina, come on how?
How you going with that play? Come on in.
I saw you doing some moves there. What were you doing?
So that is parkour, or free running, which I've been doing for about 15 years now, give or take. It's a way of using your body to get over obstacles, to see the world as a bit more of a playground.
Where did it start?
There's a group of young lads in the suburbs of Paris who work together as a group to kind of push themselves a wee bit and see how far they could take their skills and their physicality and what kind of challenges they could overcome together.
What makes a city, or even Edinburgh, good for parkour?
Everything you see around you. So the more stuff there is, the more opportunities there are for us to move around and create something new.
What do you call someone that does parkour?
Some people might say parkour practitioner, some people might say free runner, traceur, if you're being French and fancy.
Okay. Do you have a Gaelic for it yet?
Not yet.
You could say that someone is a siubhlaiche, means like a traveller, a siubhlaiche, and it's good because it also combines the word siúblach, which means light or nimble, siúblach.
Siúbhlaiche. I like it.
Ha mi ddéisiol, nach táisí sin?
Nach táisí sin.
Ach, cha bhí in ùineach a ha féin lesan parkour in dú. Ha buin scola, a school group, buin scola, a bhí fostúd Nina under her instruction or simply being taught by her, fostúd Nina sin céithir bliana inise. Hanna glúasat in achcasan mar rá tór na sear agus gymach na scríne, more elegant, na scríne na na glúasat in acamsa.
Oi! Fasc. Gléimh in de mhòr-chuid de shiùbhlaiche? Tach believe se, ha mis tór dúnta chuig an dú. Ha mi cloiche, exhausted, cloiche. Well, mar a chúil sin na betraie ag joy hain, is bica ha etter gal is gare. Ha mis dal a háis chuig a gal, lis na chimi go súpeltje noch a sheng ruúsin. Ach fimi mi aatje chuig, gevéil gare voor at Merton. There's a big smile on my face. Ha gare voor at Merton, is je skill behe uur hakam. With this new life skill behe uur, a háisich mi, ik jons a chuig an dú.